Hey everyone, today in this video, we're gonna see how loud the Narwal Flow 2 is in regards to its self-empty. If you're interested in the Narwal Flow 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll also find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website. So, first up, we're gonna be using the silent dust emptying to get the quietest result possible, and we'll see how loud it is during that cycle. So first up was 71.5 decibels for the silent mode. Now let's go ahead, let's change the setting to the strong dust emptying and see how loud it gets. And there you have it, 75.6 decibels, so a couple decibels louder as expected with the additional setting that we can choose from.